I remember when they were saying that it doesn't get into the cells, that it just stays in place, it doesn't go all over your body. I
Particles,
remember when they
which
were
were
saying that.
designed to cross cell membranes. And so instead of just staying in the muscle, it wasn't really designed to. It was designed to get into cells. It can cross all the membranes. It can go into your brain. It can go into your heart.
We've been through
it can
this,
go into
haven't
your
we?
ovaries, your testes. The
It's
problem then
it's
is
like
that when
deja
you're
vu in
making
here.
this stuff, it's got to get back out again
It's like
to
deja
be
vu in here.
recognized and make antibodies. But you're then going to fight that. So you're fighting your own cells in the process.
That makes sense.
So it was
right?
predicted right from the word go that it would cause a lot of autoimmune inflammatory type
Coincidence, right, Doc?
And that has in fact turned out to be the case. So when it
so
comes
it's not
to
coincidence?
safety, the regulatory system was flawed from the beginning because all new drugs go through a proper regulatory
corrupt, not flawed.
system.
Corrupt.
Vaccines have got a shortcut system
100%
we've had
corruption.
vaccine technology for decades. So it's assumed that, let's say you've already got a safe vaccine for pneumococcus, and then you think, let's make it for a different bacteria. So you use the same technology and just swap the bug that you're making the vaccine for. It's assumed to already be safe. So it just bypasses most of the testing. And certainly Pfizer and Moderna, they thought that this was going to be a gene product. And that's what they were anticipating. And in fact, the WHO started doing draft guidelines for a new regulatory system for these totally new products.
It's not looking good, is it, bud?
People were in such a rush, they just said, oh, let's bother with that. Let's just use the vaccine approval system. So I've seen the approval papers, and where it comes to things like, there's one called genotoxicity, which doesn't affect fertility, for example. It just says not applicable.
Don't need to test for that one.
Whether it affects the embryo if you were given it during pregnancy, not applicable.
Don't need to test for that.
Could it make you get cancers? Not applicable.
Don't need to test for that.
All of those tests have been totally bypassed. So yes, in my career, I have always recommended lots of vaccines, and I've had lots of vaccines, but I wouldn't go near any of these with a barge pole for myself.
With a barge pole?
Let alone
a barge pole?
Healthy young people who were not at any particular risk from COVID. So just again, briefly, you're always...
You hear that? Did you hear that? I'm going to have to upload this one. Pretty much down here. But at the beginning, what she said, I think I'm going to have to screen record what she said at the beginning of this video because it was really good too. What do you think, Doc? It's not looking good, is it, bud? It's not looking good, huh? No, it's not.
But also not having anybody trying to tell me that I cannot say what I need to say.
Good job, ma'am. Good job.